Hello, Shao from ReadingFluency app again. In this video, we'll take a quick look at reports. Reports bring assigned student assessments together so you can look beyond one reading at a time. They're useful when you want to see how a student is changing, compare a small intervention group, or check the patterns across your roster. One important note before we begin. Reports only include assessments that are assigned to students. If something is missing, open that assessment and check the student assignment first. Let's start with the filters. You can narrow the reports by student, roster group, passage, and time range. For example, I will select my Tier 2 group and look only at assessment from the current intervention cycle. This keeps the chart focused on the question I'm actually trying to answer. Am I looking at one student's goals, a particular group, or results from one passage set? The trend view shows how score move over time. I can look at word correct per minute, accuracy, or both. I'm not looking for one perfect number there. I'm looking for direction. Is the student improving, staying flat, or becoming less consistent? If a score looks unusual, I don't have to guess what happened. Just click on the point, scroll down, opens the original assessment. From here, I can review the passage, miscues, and read any teacher notes. That's one of the most useful parts of reports. The chart helped me find a pattern, but assessment gave me the context behind it. The distribution view gave me a different perspective. Each dot represents an assessment, with word correct per minute along the bottom and accuracy on the side. This can help me notice students who are reading quickly but with lower accuracy, or students who are accurate but still building read. Average lines and percentage bands can help orient the current view, but they change with the filter. They're reference for students and assessments currently on screen, not a diagnosis by themselves. The summary table puts the latest word correct per minute, latest accuracy, and rate of improvement in one space. Rate of improvement here means the weekly change between the earliest and latest score in the selected time range. It can help you spot who is moving forward, who is fairly flat, and who may need a closer look. If a roster group has goals, selecting that group can also show word correct per minute goals and accuracy goals, and each student's current gap from those goals. This is how do you define the goals for the roster groups. Go to the Students tab, find the roster group you want to have goal with, click the Goal tab, and here is how you can define the goals. You can define a start date and end date, and we will automatically calculate the checkpoints. If you set the checkpoint here, if you are expecting a linear progression. Otherwise, you can switch to the custom goals and define specific checkpoints. Again, these are signals for where to look next. They don't replace the recording, your observations, or other reading data. The basic report flow is simple. Start with the question. Use the filters to focus the data. Look for pattern in trend or distribution. Then, open the underlying assessment when you need the full story. Reports are most useful when assessments are consistently assigned and reviewed. With that foundation in place, they give you a faster way to move from individual reading to practical progress monitor decisions.